Hello, so very quick tip how to make vertical videos in DaVinci Resolve Studio. So if you want to make TikTok reels or YouTube shorts, this video is for you. Alright, so I have some videos here. It is basic my screen. I just recorded my screen. Alright, so drag the video inside DaVinci Resolve Studio. Alright, so I have simple recorded screen video, so just put it in timeline. Alright, so right now I'm in edit tab. As you can see, video is horizontal right now, so I want to move it like a vertical video. Alright, so let's go to Reframe and Scaling tab, and here you go, you can find Scaling tab. Just select Fill mode, and yes, so we have for now vertical video. Another tip, if you want to just export a part of this video, you can use it position mode and just find exactly a place where what you want to export. Of course, you can use zoom mode as well. So yeah, that's it. You have for now vertical video. If you want to export, go to Export tab. Thank you for watching.